Hello and welcome to Oibu Games. This video we're just going to be having a look through the project files and hopefully get you guys acquainted with what's going on in my mess of a project. Let's start, we'll have a look at the ocean plugin and what came in with that, and then we'll go into some of the environments, and then all the other stuff that I've added is in here. So the ocean is the ocean itself, the mesh, the textures, the materials. And if you click on the ocean, we have a bunch of different things here: appearance, specular roughness, everything to do with how it looks, the foam depth, and then you've got the scale of the waves and everything. I've tried my best to get it looking nice, and I think it works pretty much everywhere apart from in this little starter pool. It looks a bit insane. I'm sure that could be tweaked to make it look a little bit nicer. I spent a bit of time of it at the beginning and not much else. And then the second thing we've got is these fish. The main kind of C++ came with the ocean plugin for the fish. They couldn't get, I have noticed it's been updated now, I've not checked what they've done, but they couldn't actually get the streaming boxes working for the fish. They were always loaded all the time. So if you come into blueprints, that's something I've kind of hijacked the C++ in blueprint form, made a bunch of kind of children of their original code, and hacked all this functionality onto the side. So we've got this fish cage blueprint, which you can see scattered all around the level. It's everywhere. I have 49 different fish cages currently in the project. See them all here. And what these are, if you look at one, I've got, where is one? Fish cage one here. So somewhere in that whole block will spawn these array: tuna and tropical fish. And it'll spawn 10 tuna and 5 tropical fish. So if I grab this box here, cage 15, that's this area here. You can see at the moment it has 9 tropical fish, or tropical fish number 9, and it has 10 of them. So let's add jellyfish. How many jellyfish? Let's add 20. I'll press save. I'm just going to whack K a bunch of times, get a bunch of experience, just makes me a bit quicker and bigger. Now we see all of these jellyfish. And now I've overeaten. So, let me just see. Certain distance away. There we go, they all disappeared. So that's how the fish cages work. One last thing, when you drop it in, I've made this billboard so that you can actually click them. So if you scale up the object, it will only scale the billboard. To change the size of the box is this box size variable. So if you want the billboards nice and big while you're working on it, if you're clicking it and moving it around, you can change the billboard size. But the size of the box is this box size here. So you want to chuck it in, set your box size, add an array of whatever fish you want to add in, and the second array, how many of them. So we can add mackerel. Array 10. So when your player's in range, they'll spawn and they should stay in that box. So at the moment, if you were to put that box, so half of it's colliding like this, the fish will go through those walls. They will only stay inside this box. So So that's the fish cage.